This is a video on how to use the SCF Library quick search when trying to find young adult books. So you're going to first start by typing in the subject or the type of book that you are looking for. So say you're interested in myths. You're going to type that in, select Go. Now, this search is going to pull up everything that the SCF Library has with the term myths in it. As you can see, it is quite a large number. So in order to limit to only the young adult items, you're going to go over here, over to the left-hand side, click on Location. You can search by Bradenton, first floor young adult. You may also search by the children's area in Bradenton. We also have the option for the Venice first floor young adult and the Venice children's collection. So for now, we are going to use the Bradenton first floor young adult room to find our books. So we click on this, and this is going to limit it to only books that can be found in the young adult section about myths. So now you are looking through the list of what the SCF Bradenton Library has about books that have the term myth in it. So this one looks funny. So you decide possibly this is for you and you want to click on it. Click on the title. It will take you into what we call the record for the book. If you scroll down, it will give you a description of the book. It will show you who the author is, if it's part of a series, what its subjects, the genre, all of that. There's also the option to do a virtual browse down here at the bottom, so you can see what other books we have that are similar to this one. So going back out, as you can see, we have multiple books, many on myths, and you can choose which results, like if you want to get 25 results per page, 50 per page, and then of course down here at the bottom, this is how you would go and find the rest of the books. So there are multiple ways to search using this bar. The quick search bar, you can look for titles. So if you were to say Percy Jackson, it will bring you back to, it will clear all of the results, the limits that you put on your first search. So you would need to go back over here to the left-hand side, select location, select Bradenton Young Adult. This will pull all the books that we have in the Bradenton Young Adult section that have Percy Jackson in the title or in the subject. This has been how to find YA books using the quick search bar. If you need further help, feel free to use our Ask a Librarian service, which is right here over on the right-hand side. You can select chat and talk with one of our librarians about how to find more books, find what you are looking for. Thank you. Have a good day.